Members of Congress getting to work. The GOP-controlled House of Representatives passed their first bill known as the Laken-Riley Act. Alyssa Munoz joins us in studio. And Alyssa, this bill focuses on immigration, a big focus for President-elect Donald Trump.
Sasha, the bill is named after Laken Riley, a Georgia student who was killed by an undocumented migrant last year. And while many lawmakers believe it's a start to securing the border, immigration advocates say if passed into law, it will criminalize immigrant communities.
Every part of our system failed Laken that day. And there's nothing we can do to bring her back. But I tell you what, we make sure this never happens again.
Georgia Representative Mike Collins introducing the Laken-Riley Act. The bill has two main provisions.
H.R. 29, which has these two provisions allowing for mandatory civil immigration detention of people with criminal charges, not convictions, as well as the provision that allows states to sue the federal government if they perceive them to have not enforced immigration laws.
Migrants will face detention if charged for crimes such as burglary, larceny, shoplifting, or theft. State attorney generals can also sue the Secretary of Homeland Security for failing to enforce immigration laws that brings harm to the state or its residents. Sophia Genovese is the managing attorney for the New Mexico Immigrant Law Center. Now she says if the bill becomes law, immigrant families could be separated and it would put more of a strain on the immigration system.
When we're arresting people and putting them in civil immigration detention with pending criminal charges, that prevents the criminal system from being able to do their job. It prevents the criminal legal system from finalizing those cases. And that doesn't make our communities safer. It just causes more confusion.
Adding people need to do the tough work for true societal change, something she says this bill doesn't accomplish.
It's deeply troubling to see a tragedy like this exploited for political reasons. What happened to Laken Riley is unconscionable. It shouldn't have happened. And also, one person's actions shouldn't demonize an entire community.
All three of New Mexico's representatives are Democrats and voted against this bill. The Republican Party of New Mexico sent out a statement saying in part, their decision is particularly disturbing for representatives of a border state. This bill is crucial for holding illegal immigrants accountable for their crimes and preventing future victims. I'm Alyssa Munoz, KWT Action 7 News.
Alyssa, thank you. The bill was introduced to the Senate on Thursday. The Senate voted to further discuss and allow amendments to that bill before making a final decision.